In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make polls with Carlbot on Discord. Getting started with creating polls in Discord using Carlbot can significantly enhance your server's interaction, making the experience more engaging and fun for your community. Whether you're looking to make decisions democratically, or just want to see what your friends think about a topic, polls can be an excellent way to gauge opinions. First things first, you need to ensure you have access to Discord. So open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Discord website. Once you're there, the login page will welcome you. This is your gateway to entering the world of Discord, so let's move forward. On the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Make sure to type in the email address linked to your Discord account. This part is pretty straightforward, just make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Next, you're required to input your password. Double check that you've typed your password accurately. Passwords are case sensitive, so keep that in mind as you type. This is the key to unlocking your Discord adventures, so be sure it's the correct one. With your email and password entered, all that's left to do here is click on the login button. This action will grant you access to the Discord world where your server and community await. Upon successful login, you'll be taken to the Discord home. This is where all your conversations, direct messages, and server interactions begin. It's a hub for everything Discord has to offer, so feel comfortable navigating around. Now it's time to select your server. Navigate through your server list on the left-hand side and click on the server where you want to create a poll. If you manage or are part of multiple servers, make sure you choose the correct one for your poll. In the server settings, seek out the settings option. This is where you can control various aspects of your server, ensuring everything runs smoothly and according to your preferences. Inside settings, make your way to the app directory. This is like the marketplace for Discord, where you can enhance your server with various apps and bots. Once in the app directory, you'll need to search for Carlbot. Simply type in Carlbot in the search bar and it should appear as one of the options. Carlbot is known for its versatility and utility, making it a popular choice among Discord servers for creating polls and much more. Select Carlbot from the search results. This will take you to the Carlbot summary page, where you can see all the amazing features this bot has to offer. To add Carlbot to your server, click on the Add App button. This is your first step in integrating Carlbot into your Discord server, allowing you to utilize its features, including creating polls. After clicking Add App, you'll need to select which server you want Carlbot to be added to. If you manage multiple servers, make sure to select the correct one where you intend to create polls. After selecting the server, click on Continue to advance to the authorization stage. This is where you grant Carlbot the necessary permissions to function properly within your server. Make sure to review these permissions to ensure you're comfortable with the access Carlbot will have. Next, click on Authorize to confirm your choice. This action officially adds Carlbot to your server, making it a part of your Discord community. Following authorization, you might need to verify you're not a robot by clicking on the Verify button. This is a standard security measure to prevent automated bot access. Finally, return to your server. Carlbot should now be fully integrated and operational within your server environment. From here you can explore Carlbot's features, including the creation of engaging and interactive polls for your community. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make polls with Carlbot on Discord. By following these instructions, you'll enhance your server's engagement and provide a fun, interactive way for your members to voice their opinions. Dive into the settings, explore the features, and get ready to see what your community thinks about various topics through the power of polls. Happy polling,